Hue. The easiest way to understand hue is to look at it. In the primary effects here, we have a hue control. Notice what will happen to the image and the vectorscope once I start rotating the hue control. Notice how the color of the entire image will change. Notice the wall's colors. And look at the vectorscope. Let's reset it. Notice what will happen also when I change the gain control here. Take a look at the scope. Notice that the color wheel have the RGB and CMY, red, green, blue, cyan, magenta, and yellow, which are represented in the color wheel here also. So if I push the image towards yellow here, notice how the colors move towards yellow. If I move it toward green, it will move closer to green and the whole image will become green.